Galaxy FM.
The sound of KZ.
Views and opinions expressed in this feature are those of the guest or the listener and do not reflect the views of Galaxy FM.
Buffett, today it's a special Valentine's Day podcast, and I'm looking forward to ukuzwa ngani because kunendaba esingayikhuluma eziyinsizwa. Angazi whether siyasaba or yini eyenzakalayo. But today, first of all, I want us to focus on why amachita don't talk about heartbreak. And I mean, we're humans. We feel, most importantly, but it's something we shy away from. Today, Petu DJ Sonic, Njaye game. Muntu wama heartbreak. Also, Menelisi uputiwe sex indaba. So, stembe wena.
Kamba kahle.
Galaxies. But first, let me start here. Why is it Guti, the moment there's anything that involves feelings, let's even, before Sphere go heartbreak, we find it difficult to express ourselves?
DJ, I will say, let me start nje ngokuthi when it comes to into umjolo feelings, angilokho abathi ni late bloomer.
Okay.
Qale late angumuntu ofocus esikoleni kakhulu.
Okay.
So ezinye izinto awunayo short le feeling ekhona. Like at 21 22 ibonta hayi lo muntu yazi ngizophila naye.
Yeah.
But only find out late ukuthi no akuhambi kahle.
That's so interesting you should say that. Are you saying the woman that you are dating is the one you've been with since you started, like you're
No.
late? Oh, okay.
I'm just saying at some point you had that feeling.
Yes.
You were convinced ukuthi hayi lona ngathi ngizophila naye.
Yeah.
Angazi as much as ngeke ngibe personal ngimention ekhaya sine case study omunye uuncles washada very early.
Yeah.
So at 21 22 itshela ukuthi hayi nami yabo ngimtholile. Hayi kanti ngisazolimala.
Okay.
And usabuza ngamphatha ama feelings ewuza ukuthi hayi no hayi iyangidla lento.
Yeah.
Because of let us face it.
Yeah.
Umuntu ejola noMenelis right now.
Yeah.
There's always a better guy, whether you like it or not.
100%.
So uba nothi hayi mina uzame konke, you'll sacrifice wenza yonke into. Hence mawuba ne problem, vele leyo feeling leyo ungabisazi noma share it with the next person
Or not.
So ugcina kuba khona lokho kubambeka okukhona kanti leti iyakudla deep down.
Sonic?
I remember my first heartbreak Nkosi yami. Ugeli wangithola ngineyintombi zami zo5 right, but I fell in love for the first time.
Yeah.
Wangivuruvaya mfethu. I remember I used to come home from school ngikhale. Yabo let it say you cry yourself to sleep.
Yeah.
Ngangiphila leyo mpilo, my first heartbreak, and it was hard to talk about it because into yethu yayiphambi kwabantu and imisijika, you know. Ngayisola ukuthi ngangakhulumi ngani because you always the last one to find out. So when I finally spoke about it, everyone knew. Mfethu asikubona mfethu wobhaziseka mfethu yabo ebathike impilo injalo. So I guess mhlawumbe sometimes usuku usabi shaming yokuthi you always the last person to find out uma usubhaziseka.
Let me ask you this. What would you compare if feeling a heartbreak to Yona? So I was reading something on the internet the other day.
Yeah.
And fortunate are those that have never found out, right? But this thing said, "Dear mfana ongakazi udlelwe, uzozwa ngathi ufelwe unyoko."
Yeah.
Sure.
So I know the experience, of losing a parent,
Yeah.
and I would never wish that on anybody, right? But now, on the heartbreak side, what do you compare that feeling to?
Yo, mina I fortunately angakayizwa feeling yokulahlekelwa umzali.
Yeah.
So I think I've never experienced that type of pain.
Okay.
You know, personally, the pain I felt then, mhlawumbe uma describe, I felt like ngilahlekelwa ingqondo.
Okay.
Like I felt like I lost ingqondo yami for a moment, you know, until obviously with time iyabuya and you get your senses back and you realize ukuthi it's not the end of the world. Impilo ayiqhubeke.
Annelise? When I saw ngathi heartbreaker uyazi.
No, I ngiyayazi, but I'm noting ama points akho neka Sonic.
Yeah.
2024 I lost umzali.
Yeah.
It's a painful thing ungayifisela omunye umuntu obusho nje. But I've experienced quite a few of my heartbreaks. And kune pattern ekhona. Kuyimethe ngesafunda about series, sequence and patterns. Ile ungathi ekhanda you losing it. Uyasangana. Ngoba uba sometimes udetective uyaphenya uhlanganise 1 no 1 oh the time ethi akekho ekhaya kune function ekhona oh kusho waye seyochita or wayesokwenzana and there were signs already ukuthi hayi lobu budlelo nabusekho but ngoba usho ukuba ukugcina to find out ukuthi hayi no kahle hle kuyabheda and kunento ebhlungu ukuthi umuntu move on while senawe lapho sekumnandi khona when you pick out so kuba ngathi uyahlanya and awubi functional ngabe ngokomsebenzi financially wenza ama decisions are wrong and obviously kuphela ngoba vele singamajita and what's not
yeah
kuzoba ne substance lapho ukuthi uza to calm down suppress lento edlayo but kuba sengathi ekhanda uyasangana then ke physical ngabe emzimbeni chest and ngento okuthiwa inhliziyo ku left but shela ngapha right ilapho ozwa khona kakhulu bonke kwenzakalani.
I think you've touched on something. I think mawikhuluma so I remember my first heartbreak was my high school sweetheart. Yo bengithanda le yangane bafethu and as you said like I thought no this is the one pelile it made sense everything was perfect and yabo mawuthi lento yokuphefumula
yeah icon
uzwa ngathi inhliziyo iyamuva
yes
to the left but ihleli la emphimbweni uhluleka nokukhipha amazwi yabo but as you said, the pattern is there. So I've had this discussion before where Mina know the guy she was busy with are now the greatest of friends.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you guys still speak about her?
No, we've discussed it. Let me tell you, it's crazy. So you're going to have to beep this out, whoever's editing this part. Kaiser Chiefs.
And he's been through a lot.
At the time, he is Kaizer Chiefs.
Captain.
Wait. That time, ikhosi lihambe emoyeni. Wahamba wayoshela lengane. Lengane le bengithola naye behlala close to ngasendlini. Right? And the one day, and I used to stay in a boarding school. I had come home early. So while ngisendlini from ngiwalka ngihambile ngendlini ngayoshintsha sengiyawalka mangithi man ngiyayibona i1 series mangithi ku front seat
sure
na intombi yakho awe convince hayi lift hamba namajita ahambi ngedwa hamba namajita sihlabile sigela sonke siphuma phi siphethe ukuphuza siphethe kuma backpack sithi siyobloma nje idlula imoto ayi mawufika nangu udli khona awuyambona mfethu leans over ukumqabula
Bambilamza.
My heartbreak was in front of everyone.
And how is that for you? Like amajita, you can't tell your story. Basbona, nah.
Basbona. Saye sashaya ngathi asiboni lutho sangena ejardini. Saploma kwakhipha ama drinks saploma. Ngathi ngithi abiyehli. Abungeni.
I know.
Yeah? You start shaking. Hleli namajita, you are trying to be strong because why? You can't show your machita weakness. The moment you show uguti weak or emotional, you are the one who's going to get picked on. You're the one who's going to, for lack of a better word, you'll be bullied. But it's not bullying. It's, I think, amunye umuntu might deem it as bullying, but for me, it's just the way we grew up as amachita, selanzana, sehlekana. And funny enough, 6 months from then, it's a conversation that we had namachita.
Yeah.
But I ended up a strong one. What we born in the lento aqhubeka ngathi nothing happened, but deep down
Yagudla.
couldn't breathe. Sihleli lapho kuyadliwa wonke umuntu happy ngihleka nabo, but deep down I couldn't breathe.
It takes me to the point like Naves.
Yeah.
Indlela esikhuliswa ngakhona upbringing yethu. I'm talking about now with pride and ego.
Yeah.
You're saying in front of amajita akho kumele ube strong.
Yeah.
But you can't ukuthi break it down utshengise ukuthi noma just say majita angi right manje. Asangihambe nginishiye kulesi space. But yabo ukuthi igcina ulimala thina.
Indeed.
Kakhulu indlela esikhuliswa ngakhona you need to be strong. Mawufika uhlangana naloma feelings naleso simo lesesikhona. Ikhona indlela engashintshwa ngakhona, especially let's say kumuntu olalela obukayo nolalela njengamanje. Umjita uno 18 19 usazoface vele ama heartbreaks ngoba akhona.
I don't know, man. I really think some of the teachings ebasinika wona build resilience.
Yeah.
And I just feel like the more we encourage the guard to be let down, we are breaking the resilient spirit. Hence why abantu kenzeka into encane umuntu umuza ukuthi ngiyoyihenga mina. Because we're no longer resilient. We're no longer working through these things. So it's a catch-22 because on the one side says limaza, but on the other side it's important to get it off your chest. Now, for me, the question is, when is the right time to get it off your chest?
Yeah.
Because for me, I then also went into, after the heartbreak, a revenge spell.
Ufuna umgqalisela.
Ha, mfanami,
Sekugeza nabantu
ayikho
abarongo.
umngani wakhe engamshelanga. Akekho umngani
Manje
wakhe.
bayagala or bakubhampisa.
Lalela ke. Baqale bangidlalise yabo at that arm's distance. Kuthi sihlangane estradeni. Phela mase sihlangane estradeni ama drinks at the time amabhodlela went a thing bekuloko ama side. So at the time, remember, I'm already throwing parties, inyukunyani khona. Seyufika lapho ngithi nalibhakethe hlala la.
On.
Aha nge-online. Uzwe ngendaba ukuthi hey wena labantu ohleka nabo wena lapha esikoleni or evarsity abangani bakho. Babloma naye lo muntu.
Yo.
Makathi uyayiconfronta wow.
Usanesibindi soconfronta.
Lalela, anjo bangani bakhe laba kumele abaconfront.
Okay.
Nabo labangani laba manje mase bafika bathi but angisho wena lo muntu lo umistreated. Lithi thina simphathe kahle.
Issue. And there's always those friends laba abafuna ucorrect ama mistakes umngane.
Yeah.
And inkinga manje is ukuthi in my revenge spell, I am not like they're giving this thing full on thing. It's just for me a means to an end. Yokuthi ifike kulo muntu le azama ukuzwani lobhlungu ngebizwile. Right? At the stage where now you've dated 2 of her close friends. That feeling is still not there. Like I didn't feel at any stage that okay, now she's felt this thing. You know? And the biggest part of this thing is, I don't know, maybe I'm grateful Uguti it happened so early for me because after that, I've been cruising very nicely.
You're able to deal with pain. But kwakuphazamisa kanjani ke ekuthembeni?
Well, I didn't have those, the one lesson I learned in life early was love is one of those things where you have to love like you have never been hurt before. You have to give love. You have to give love a second chance every single time because I think love is the most beautiful thing you'll ever receive. Mina, I was fortunate enough to experience umzali bekangithanda.
Yeah.
So my comparison to love is always what Uma gave me, So I always believe in giving love another chance and as many chances as it needs, without fully saying, hey, I must keep my guard up in case lo muntu lo ayenza lokho. It's not an easy thing though. But it's something, and I mean, after that girl, I think I didn't date for a good 6 years.
Jesus
for 6 years.
6 years?
Ngihambi strata, izembe. Izembe ngapha nangapha. Close friends. Wow, la nje usijabulisa sihlekisana. Mawubuya u-relationship ngithi azange sike siyikhulume leyo nto leyo. Mawufuna ukuyiqala leyo nkulumo manje asiyicede.
Naves uke wakhuluma ngodaba lama feelings. Thina ke sijole sekune social media. Ubhayiziseke nje umuntu mawumthanda ne. Then you'll go post ku social media. Hey kanti usokulimaza. The pain to go to Facebook, Instagram and delete pictures. Fisa ukubuza uSonic ukuthi uke wabanda kuleso simo leso where you have to go through your socials. And delete that picture. Hey,
I recently went through an encounter where, so I dated this chick. Yakishwa yenye. So long as you focused again. Memo ngiposta ngenzani. So when we broke up, wabuya lo wathi nisajona nalo ngisibile ukhuluma ngani athi naku some posting and sengikhohliwe yabo ukuthi I deleted Instagram.